Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock a little fascinator on this wooden dome. And what I'm going to do is make a little headpiece out of this. So what you're going to do is we're going to need water, stiffner, some pegs, some sinamay. I usually do 3 layers. So let me just put this plastic over real quick so that my wooden block doesn't get damaged. I save these from the bread. And just do a little twist like that. And then we're all set. I'm going to spray this cinnamon to soften it. And get our eggs. So what you want to do, you lay one down like this. I like to crisscross it because that gives it a different look on the cinnamon. So this goes this way, so it looks like this, and then this one's gonna go the other direction. So I don't like to have any, let's put this one on the bottom, because I don't like to have see how it's crisscross. Okay, I don't like to have any what do you call that, just like little marks on the cinnamon. So let's cross this way. Okay, so we just spray it again. And what we want to do is we want to start north, south, east, and west. So I'm going to go this way, block, and just pin it there like that. And then we bring this one like so. Remember to pull with your body. Okay. And then we're going to put this one, and I like to go slanted in an angle and just push. Then we're going to go here, do the same thing. That towards in an angle, always in an angle. Okay, let me turn it around, and then we bring this over. And then what you want to do is go all the way around, taking the corners, and make sure that it's nice and that there's no ridges, no pleats. You just take your pegs and go all the way around. Like that. See? There. Spread a little bit. If it gets a little stiff, you just order it. There we go. Okay, and just keep going around, all the way around until you're done. Okay, and then just bring that there. all the way. Just keep pushing, pulling the sinamay over so you get a nice smooth round block. Okay, just keep going around and then we're done. Easy peasy. Okay. There we go. Sometimes the sinamay is a little bit shorter, but that's okay because we're going to cut the edges and we're going to wire it at the ends after it's dry. So all this is going to get cut. All this, so it doesn't matter. It's a little short. Okay. That's it. Okay, there you go. Okay. Once this is done, once it's done, I like to take a little bit of the stiffener. I mean, the sinamay is already stiff, but I like to add a little bit more, to just rub it a little bit. Since it's such a small block, I do with my hand, but if it's a big piece, I usually use a brush. Put a pin right here. There we go. Make sure all the pins are in tight. To hold it in here. Okay, that's it. And we're done. So this is basically what it's going to look like. I did my loop. So it's going to look like this. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. God bless and have a beautiful day. Thank you.